Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this rice and aloe vera soup using stove. So to get started with this rice and aloe vera body soap, I'm going to be using Dove soap, like you see in the video. There are different types of Dove soap, but this is the particular one I got. This is for sensitive skin. So what I did here, and I'm grating it at this point. So after grating it, and I'm going to show you the next step. But before I go further, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell. That will allow you to see my videos whenever I upload a new one. And so at this point, I'm done grating the soap. And I'm going to measure out the quantity I need for this particular DIY. At this point, I'm measuring 50 grams of the grated Dove soap, and I'm pouring it into a pan. And there are two ways you can do this. You can either heat it in a double boil using a double boiling method, or you put it in a very low heat like I'm going to do in this video. So at this point, I place it on a very low heat, the lowest of your heat. So I'm just going to be mixing it gradually. So here's the aloe vera I used. You can use aloe vera gel if you have any. So after heating it for a little while, I added the aloe vera juice. And this is aloe vera juice I use here is 20 grams of aloe vera juice. Then here's my rice powder. I'm going to add it to this Dove soap, and here I used 10 grams of rice powder. And knowing that rice helps to smoothen the skin, help in brightening it as well, and it helps to eliminate radicals from the skin. So after melting the soap and mixing the ingredient I added to it, then I'm going to put it in. I put it in my silicone mold, and after leaving it for 2-3 hours, you can also do this, put it in the freezer if you're in a hurry, then leave it for 130 minutes, and the rice and aloe vera soap body soap is ready. And that's basically what I did, and this lathers well and it smoothens the skin whenever you use it. So this is what it is, guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share my videos. See you in my next video. Bye.